Good morning, children. You just have two more experiments left to finish your practical file. So you'll be writing experiment number 7 and 8. Experiment number 7, refraction through convex lens 2. Okay, so I would like to explain a little bit the difference between refraction experiment number 6 and 7. Experiment number 6 aim was to determine focal length of a convex lens by using distant object method, and here to determine the focal length of a convex lens by using UV method. See the diagram there. We drew the first case, object at infinity, so distant object, so you have parallel rays and parallel to the principal axis, or parallel rays coming parallel to each other, and they all met at principal focus, and the distance between the lens and the place where the image is formed, you got the focal length. Now for this experiment we'll be using a specified object like a candle or something. So this is case 1 of the ray diagram of convex. In this experiment we'll be doing case 2, 3, 4 and all. Object beyond 2f, object at 2f, between f and 2f, okay, at f. So we'll be keeping the object closer to the lens, and then corresponding characteristics of image will be formed. So every time you have to measure the object distance. Object distance is this distance between object and image, u, and image distance is distance between distance between object and lens. Optical center of the lens is object distance, and distance between image and optical center of the lens is image distance v. Now using this, we'll use the lens formula. If you remember lens formula, we had 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, so if we 1 by f is, lens formula is 1 by f is 1 by u plus 1 by v. So you take common denominator uv, v plus u, or u plus v upon u into v, or f is equal to u into v upon u plus v. Okay, so this is the formula. You won't be writing this, but you will be writing this: u into v upon u plus v, u into v upon u plus v. Okay, use the object distance and v is the image distance. Okay, then this will be a tabular column. Okay, don't write the readings. So in the notes that I give you, so refraction through convex lens 2. Okay, aim, apparatus required, formula, and then the diagram, and then procedure, observation table. So diagram on the first left page, okay, the first left page, and the tabular column on the second, observation table on the second left page, and it should be empty. Please don't write any readings on this. Only after performing the experiment in the lab we will be entering the readings. So just leave it empty, make these lines and just leave it. Okay, and you don't have to make a bold blocks, very bold. Okay, so thin blocks are enough, because you will be just writing one number, 46.5 or something like that. So you don't have to make a big block, just make a thinner block, that's enough. Okay, then mean, then the result. Okay, then we have experiment number 8, current electricity. Now this we have not yet done, but you write it and keep, so that you will save time towards the end. Okay, so you know it, in 9th you have studied, studied about Ohm's law. To verify Ohm's law using a simple circuit and to find the value of unknown resistance. Okay, apparatus required, and then statement of Ohm's law, formula used, diagram, okay, procedure, observation table. So on the first left you will have the diagram on the first left page. Okay, experiment 8, first left page diagram, and second left page you will have the tabular column. Okay, without any readings. We'll be filling the readings later. Okay, so with this your practical work will be finished. So after finishing, make sure you cover it with a brown glaze paper, and you can stick a name slip or You can slip something, put a slip like this, or if you want, you can write your name with just a marker like this. But simple, keep it simple and neat, and finish it and keep it. Anytime we might ask you to come and submit in the school. That date we will tell later. Even index don't write now, we will be writing it later. When we know the date of experiment, we will write the index. I think you're clear. Okay, please send it by today night. I am not going to check any of your work on Saturday and Sunday. By today night you send it, otherwise it remains unchecked. That's all. Thank you, children.